Food relief packages from China were distributed on Sunday in Pakistan's southwest Balochisthan province amid the recent severe flooding in the South Asian country. The ceremony was held in the tribal area of Darabakti in Balochisthan province, attended by over 800 local victims hit by the flood.
Thank China, the government, people, companies, because in these hard times, China stood with Pakistan as a brother. We will support Chinese as promised previous.
In 2008, when an earthquake hit China, our Pakistani brothers donate all their tents to Chinese people. We Chinese seek win-win cooperation with our Pakistani brothers and sisters.
According to the latest data by the country's National Disaster Management Authority, 1,396 people have been killed and 12,728 others injured in the rain-related accidents in Pakistan since mid-June.